Snatch that out. All right, now we can take out the door panel. Pull forward. Could be a bit sometime, but yeah, you come out. Once that out, start unplugging everything that you need to unplug. Cables. We got some heat shrink, and if you ever break this, throw some heat shrink on there and to hold that cable in place. Thank me later. All right. Go ahead and peel this back because we got to get back there. A couple of screws you got to take out. Peel this back and bust it through because we got 1, 2, 3. That got to come out 10 mil. T25. T25 right here. Take that out to the side. Like I said, that's a 10 mil. Hold on.